This is the product research section, and it is the absolutely most important part that will make or break any business that's selling on Amazon. If you do this incorrectly, you could do basically everything else right, and it might still not work. But if you do this properly, you find a good product and a good market opportunity, you could do everything else kind of wrong and still have success. So there's certain ways that we're able to know if a product is a good opportunity, and that's what this section is about. And it all comes down to data and intuition. It's an art and a science. So we're going to tell you about the model right now. Okay, so this is the model of doing product research, or the methodology. So you're going to gather as many ideas as you possibly can. And then what you're going to do is you use some framework to eliminate it. So maybe that wasn't good. All right. And then you're going to analyze it again. And then you think about it again and eliminate. And eventually you'll get to a point where, hey, I can't, no matter what, I can't throw this out. This is a really good idea, and all the data, all my intuition, it tells me that this is a good opportunity to go after, and then that's how you choose to go forward. So that's what we're going to be doing here. But what we're going to focus on next is going to be, well, how do you gather ideas? Well, the easiest way is to look at your daily life, literally every product that you touch or see, or that you've experienced in the past. Maybe you've had a bad experience. Just think about that. Like, could I somehow make it better? Like, could I make this brush better? Or, how much are these brushes even selling for on Amazon? So literally every time that you have an experience in life or touch something, think about, could I sell this on Amazon? And that's the best way to go. And then eventually you might run out of ideas, and there's tools that we can use to help give us ideas instead of hoping that they come out of the ether for us. Now I'm going to tell you guys what to look for in a product so that you can start to expand and realize how much opportunity there is out there.